a lot of people ask me how it was working with Bilal. Everybody's so curious.
Of course.
And I think that he was such a nice, humble person.
Yeah.
Such a humble person in the sense that, some people, they are great performers, but unfortunately the vibe that they create on the set is, not so
uncomfortable.
Sometimes it just becomes uncomfortable for no reason.
Yeah.
And with him, it was really nice. I remember before each scene that we had, he would come and he would be like, lines kar le, and then very nicely we would sit together, we would do our scenes, and uske baad bhi, not even once, I don't think anybody on that set kind of, including Umair Rana, super cool, Adnan Jafar, cool in his own way, and even Faraz, the Awais Suleiman, super cool, and Bilal was also cool. So I had a great time. And
you almost have no scenes with Durray, except for one that we just saw. Almost no scenes.
One where I'd see them in that shop.
Yeah. And then one Abhi when you go to meet her.
But I go to her house as well, remember?
You do.
Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yeah, so it was those three instances jab mera aur Durray ka hua tha scene, yeah. So very little work.
Very little work
with
together.
her.
Yeah. But interesting.
Yeah.
Absolutely interesting. You being somebody who's very stylish and very particular about look, and how did you feel about your father's mustache?
How did I not see this one coming? Out of all the things मैंने सोचा था कि आमना शायद ये भी पूछेगी, but this one, why did I think of
Mr. Haroon की नकली मूंछ, भाई वो कितनी नकली थी? वो ऐसी नकली थी कि जैसे आप लोगों को बताना चाह रहे हैं कि आज हम इन पे नकली मूंछ चिपकाएंगे. I was like, क्यों? Why could he not get a better mustache?
Again, I would like to say that I, give a lot of credit to Adnan Jafar for not making a fuss about it. And in the sense that in Pakistan, you either have to make a big fuss about something and just be called a difficult actor, or you just go with the flow and you just do what... Because at the end of the day, you see, it has to be somebody else who's looking from the camera telling you that this is a problem or that you need to change it. अगर आपको सब कह रहे हैं कि सब ठीक है, then as Adnan Jafar, you're also gonna feel like it's fine. And I think that towards the end, I remember मैं देख रही थी उस दिन और मुझे इतनी नहीं bother कर रही थी वो mustache. It wasn't bothering me that much. I'm like, it grew on me. No pun intended. Yeah. And but let's focus more on how maybe there's an opportunity for our get-up makeup artists to improve upon their skills.
थी तो बहुत funny.
Yeah.
बहुत funny.
I don't want to say it. My dad.
Like,
I'm daddy's princess.
बिल्कुल.
But हाँ, देखिए ना, ये वही बात है कि अदनान जाफर और या हारून बे की मस्टैश या कोई भी पाकिस्तानी ड्रामे में जब मैं कोई इस तरह की मस्टैश या नकली बाल देखती हूँ, मुझे from having like a little bit of experience and from the beauty, the makeup aspect of things, I just feel like overall there's a huge opportunity for some good get-up artists to be in our country.
Is it something you would take up ever?
No.
Because
imagine having to just fix people's mustaches on.
No, but to create looks for characters or...
Maybe.
That's like a serious role.
Yeah.
To play in improving the quality of what we see on television.
Maybe aage jaake I would like to maybe work on a project where I can like handle the entire kind of look and feel.
Yeah.
Maybe one day do direction as well.
Right.
But obviously when you're a director, you can make those kind of calls, right? You can say कि नहीं है सही नहीं है. But I just remember Dada's so funny. He was just like, he was laughing about it, and so there was a lot of things that Dada was very chill about. And so that's his approach. And that's why I look at everybody and the role they play to create something like this. कि लोग कुछ भी कहें, there are certain people that it just doesn't faze them and it doesn't matter. And at the end of the day, they give you a product where none of it matters anyway.
Yeah.
People are still watching it.
Absolutely. Who cares कि कितनी नकली मूंछ है, हाँ.
और so, जो कुछ भी था, जितना कुछ भी लोगों को कहना था, उन्होंने कह दिया. मेरे लिए भी कह दिया, दूसरे कुछ लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें कहीं कि इस तरह से दाऊद के साथ इतनी फ्री क्यों होती है, and बहुत सारी, ठीक है, everybody has their own way of watching, and perhaps if I had nothing to do with this drama and if I was just watching either like a critic or just like a regular viewer, तो हो सकता है मैं भी मुझे भी कुछ नजर आ जाता, लेकिन मुझे सिर्फ ये बात एक है कि अगर मेरीन जैसी एक लड़की है जो पॉलिटिशियन की बेटी है और वो एक बहुत ही इस तरह के बैकग्राउंड से आती है जहाँ पे she probably has to interact with a lot of politicians और and because दाऊद अंकल के साथ इतनी पुरानी उसकी एक है connection, so why wouldn't she be okay and comfortable speaking to him?
That thought never crossed my mind.
It didn't cross your mind, but it was something that somebody else made such a big deal about. But people say all kinds of things.
Yeah, no, I guess people judge with their own perspective, so मुझे तो बड़ा natural लगा था.
And it was also about the clothes, के कपड़े ऐसे पहन के, but
नहीं वो भी ठीक था बिल्कुल. मेरी ऐसी ड्रेस करेगी मतलब है कि yeah.
She could have dressed in a different way as well, but it was the choice that it was made. The choice was made that this is what she's gonna be. क्योंकि शिब्रा से contrast भी दिखाना था बहुत ज़्यादा.
Absolutely.
और कुछ ऐसा दिखाना था कि Shamir has his type and she's not it.
Absolutely.
So either I could have been in a popularity contest and did all the things that everybody likes.
No
but उसमें फिर मेरीन का मुझे लगता है कि शायद मेरीन का नहीं आता उसमें.
You've done a good job, which is why people are hating my Marine.
Yeah, and I'm enjoying that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Bhera, what now? You just mentioned that you're going to sort of revamp and relaunch your brand of clothing. You had a very, very strong brand of clothing.
I did. Yeah. I had a strong clothing brand. And what I'm doing now is I am hoping to start out with a makeup brand.
Okay.
And also skincare.
ठीक है.
And later on using that brand to also introduce some clothing pieces.
ठीक है.
So that's kind of in the works. The makeup and the skincare is something I've been working on for the past 2.5 years.
Okay.
But like I said, earlier when we were talking off camera, I take time when I do these kind of things because it's such a huge responsibility. When you're putting a product out in the market, it's not like clothing to phir bhi thoda sa, you have that a little bit of wiggle room, margin. Ke thoda sa you can make your mistakes and learn your way through it. But with skincare and makeup, I really want to make sure that the product that I'm putting out, and I'm confident
what kind of product are you going to launch?
That I can't talk about right now.
Okay.
But what I can talk about is the fact that the idea is to, of course, make things easier for people when it comes to makeup. Because ab jo mera lifestyle as a mother and as just like a professional, having this acting career and having to play multiple roles, so I tend to gravitate towards ऐसी चीजें जो मेरे लिए एक चीज ही बहुत कुछ कर सके.
Right.
तो मैं चाह रही हूँ कि उस तरह का कुछ हो.
Right.